At health, I developed love for Haiti. Yeah. I developed love for Haiti because before I thought that I could leave the country without like caring about the people living in the society in my community. But now I see that I'm really attached. And every day I'm talking about this. I say you can go, you can do everything, but me, I'm still in love with my country. But all of this, I become concerned. I feel like everything that is happening, that is going on around me, I feel concerned all of this about all of this just because I spent about 5 years in a community that gave me values and that gave me knowledge, that gave me a lot of things, bring me to be more conscious about the need to contribute to the development of aid.